installing these little pre-flashed mounting brackets made by Quick Mount. They're designed specifically to prevent any water leakage. So you drill a hole and you mount them, keep them under the shingles. Yeah. So here we are up on the roof. You can see the flashed Quick Mounts already attached to the roof with the L bracket attached to that. And then you take the railing and you attach that to the L foot. And then, okay, the racking is all mounted, so next stage will be grounding the racks and then installing the panels. Okay, 3 panels mounted so far. You see the ground wire that actually grounds the rack, and then the individual panels comes across, as well as the wiring being zip tied to the railing to give it a clean effect. So we got 3 in. Okay, we're mounting the second row of panels. Okay, so here we have 16 panels out of 18 panels installed. We're leaving the last 2 panels off so that we can work on getting the electrical connection through the roof, and then once that is set, we'll tack on the last 2 panels. 18 panels installed. I want to make it as clean and neat as possible, so object is to not see any wires. You know, connectors on the solar panels are MC4, which are UV resistant, heat resistant. Right now you're just looking at the breaker panel for our office and breakfast room, and that's what we're going to tie our system into. The wiring will come down from the roof through into this room, DC voltage, through metal conduit. It'll enter this room, and then on the wall here, a DC disconnect, because you have to isolate the PV system from everything else. This is an SMA Sunny Boy 3000 watt inverter that will be mounted as well right next to the disconnect. That is the device that actually converts the DC electric into AC electric, and then it'll come out of the AC side of this device into the disconnect, out of there, out of the AC disconnect, into the panel box, and then that basically feeds this panel box, which can at times backfeed out to the grid when we're creating more power than we're actually using, and or it'll just supplement the power that we are using. Here in between the AC disconnect and the panel box will be a customer meter that the state is requiring for state incentives, so that the customer can actually view the meter and the usage. And it being said, these inverters also have a digital display that you can go over and actually get the same information from. So, and this is the meter that will at times run backwards and at other times run forwards, just depending upon how much electric our system is generating versus how much we are using.